We really lucked out with this one. What beautiful weather to stumble upon a water park. We couldn't believe how much fun it was, all for such a cheap price. But unfortunately our day didn't end as well, as we ended up driving late into the night trying to find a park up. Come with us through the ups and downs of van life travelling across Germany. It's a new day here in Germany. I'm walking the wrong way, I need to go this way. I need to walk this way because Roz, Lawrence and Wilfred are already at that water park outdoor swimming pool place thing, and I was doing some editing so that you guys get to enjoy some more content from us. I'm so far behind. I think we're here in Germany and I'm just editing when we were in Norway, so it means that by the time you see this I'll probably be back in Portugal. Yeah, super grateful for everybody that's been tuning into our videos. It's just started as a family thing, just to send to friends and family, and now lots more people are enjoying it, which is really, really nice. And hopefully there'll be lots more content coming once we get back to Portugal as well, of things we get up to there, adventures and stuff on our homestead. So now I'm going to take Roz and the boys some food and some snacks, because they're already hungry after having a little swim, and let's check out this place. So let's go enjoy a sunny day in the north of Germany. Where is he? Oh, here he comes.
This bit's really shallow. Mummy, go down now? No. Yeah, Mummy's already been down a couple of times. Ready?
Go on, Rosie.
You go so fast around some of those corners.
Do you?
Yeah, so fast.
He's off. I guess I've got to go down this bad boy now. I've not even been in the water yet. Let's go. Alright, let's just go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, this is gonna be cold. That was sick. Okay, cool. Hey! It's fun, isn't it, Laurie? Funny. Do you want to come down the water slide with me in a minute, Laurie? No. Go together, because you're allowed to go in between my legs, it says there. We can go together. Where's Rosie? The little fish. Here she is. The fish. It's nice.
It's really refreshing in here. It's not really that chlorine either.
No, it's like real fresh kind of water. You don't smell it like a swimming pool.
What's this for? For like pushing yourself off?
I guess so, go.
Not like that though.
Is you go like this? And try not to do what I did and flip over. You want to kind of go forward, right? You don't need to
you can't even do stage one properly.
Right, I'll show you. I'll try again. I'm not used to doing like this, so you just go like. Head in first. Head down, go. Yeah! Wow, well done, that was brilliant! For a first go, that was amazing, dude. How did that feel?
Fun!
Head in first. Yeah! Well done, straight to level 2. Head down. Yes! Wow, dude, that was brilliant for a first go. How did it feel, okay?
Weird. I saw that, you okay?
You alright, mate?
My nose! Oh, you're right,
Water went up. Pull your shorts up, mate. Wow, Laurie's diving progress is going so well. Really proud of him. So cool that we just didn't even know this place was here when we picked the spot to come and camp here for the night last night. Not the best night. Some people playing music turned up at about 11:30, which was a bit annoying, but they're only there for like 15 minutes and they went. Then it was a quiet night. But yeah, that we parked up right next to this awesome water park place. It's just so cool, and it's perfect weather for it as well. Here's a little pool. Is it a nice one, Wilfie? Really nice, isn't it? Is it for little boys your size? You gonna go in? Not now, okay, in a minute. And look at this place, it's so cool. It was €10 for all of us to get in, which isn't that bad. The water slide is so much fun. We've been down a fair few more times, which is awesome. I went down with Laurie as well, and we went really, really fast. And I got Laurie lying down on his back, so he's going much faster now. Yeah, I don't know how long we're going to stay here. We've got to go meet my friend Max later this afternoon.
Max.
That's right, Max.
Max.
But for now, we're going to just enjoy this awesome little outdoor swimming pool, mini water park place. It's just great fun. Laurie's going to try the little diving board. Go on, Rosie.
Yeah, that was fun. It was well springy. Oh, you have to do it again, Max. What did you do? Well done. Where's Laurie? Oh, he's going up the medium. Blimey. Blimey, I thought he was going on the little one. Oh my god, maybe you film it.
Whoa.
Oh my god. I think I got that guy. Okay, it's
Just
clear.
send it. Don't think, just send it. Yes, Laurie. That was really brave, mate. Well done.
Oh, I'm really proud of you.
That was great. Are you going to do it again?
I bet it was fun, wasn't
The thought in my mind was, this was probably the biggest jump that I've ever done in my life.
Well done, mate. That was really good.
Oh, well done, you! You were high up there. You were really high up. You looked a bit nervous on the end. Yay!
Go on, Rosie. Just do it. Send it. You thought about it too much already. Well done, Roz. Here comes Laurie. Spring it, Laurie. Spring it. Woo! Yeah. Well done, mate. Oh, this is awesome. Annoying they've closed the real top one off. I don't know why. There was loads of lads being a bit silly, maybe that's why, but I really wanted to just dive in off the top one. Well, not dive, I would have just jumped.
When I was up there, I was a bit worried. I was like, and then Laurie and that little girl behind me, and I was like, I got to do it now.
You did it
I
though.
got really nervous.
You did it though, well done. It's the water slide lady over here.
It was fun.
So much fun, wasn't it? Here he goes.
It's very good.
Donk. Well done, mate. Unexpected fun, wasn't
Unexpected, yeah, we didn't think, it's not like we planned to go there.
Love it. Love it.
it? You loved it, didn't
What
you?
did you love about it, Willie?
Love swimming pool.
Ah.
Love swimming pool. Love swimming pool.
What about the water slide? You did the water.
You did some splashing, didn't you?
Roller slide. Roller slide.
What did you like about it, Laurie?
What was your best bit, Laurie?
Well, water slide or medium-sized diving board.
Medium diving board, I think you did brilliant with, mate. You faced your fears today, didn't you?
Well, I faced quite a few, so.
You've been facing all your fears the last few
I faced
days.
my fear as well. That was really scary on the medium diving board, I'm not going to lie. When I was there, I was like, shall I do it? Shall I not just go back? And then Laurie and the girl were there. I was like, I got to do it.
Ah, well, that was so much fun, but now we've got boring life stuff to do. We've got to do a shop. Desperately need to empty the toilet. It's got room for about 2 more wees in it, and then it's full. So yeah, we need to empty the toilet, and then we've got to drive 2 hours to meet my friend Max. You want crisps in the shop, do you? All right, okay, we've got to get some crisps in the shop. It's a little free motorhome area in the town. At least I think it's free. Maybe it's paid, but there's a sign over the payment thing, so I'm not sure. But it's definitely free to do your services here. which is nice. So we just stopped, emptied the toilet. I think you have to pay for water, but we don't need it. Yeah, really cool. There's like a cute historical town as well. Unfortunately, we don't have time to stop and visit. We did get a little drive through, me and Laurie. Roz and Wilfie, we dropped them at Lidl after getting some fuel. So now we better go back and pick them up. So we're hitting the road to go and see my friend Max, who I've been friends with for like 4 years, but I've never met him in person. And I've just checked on the old Google Maps and it's sending us not on any autobahns for quite a while, which is nice because we love exploring all the back roads rather than just driving along a boring dual carriageway or motorway. So this is going to be a nice little drive through the sort of countryside of Germany, which is what we like. Right, let's hit the road, play the music. Straight at his house, mate, yeah?
Yes. And a shame for me that Emil won't be there because he's at a birthday party till 7 o'clock, so...
We'll see him tomorrow though, mate.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Like meeting new people, don't you?
Yeah. It's my thing. This is so cool. Max lives in a really nice village.
Down, I think.
Which house is
the very end one on the left? Okay, I can see where I can park here. I can see what I can do.
So we just left Max's place. We didn't really film anything because we were just in the moment when we were there. He gave us a nice tour of the house and the garden. It's a lovely house, really big and very nice what they've done to it.
It's a Swedish house. It's like a little Swedish house in a German village. It's really cool.
Yeah.
All like painted red, isn't it?
Little like end of house in a cul-de-sac. Yeah, very nice. But now we're heading to this cool little park up with, I think it's got a little kids park and a petting zoo, so that'll be really cool. And then I think we're going to meet up with those guys tomorrow and they're going to show us some of Magdeburg.
So we just got to this space. Roz is bum in the way. We just got to this space and yeah, there's a party going on. Well, it's like a carnival right here. So this is the motorhome area. There's a guy next to me and then literally just there is a carnival and it's like 8 o'clock at night. This is when van life ain't so fun. So now we've had to find somewhere else and obviously there's nowhere close. So now we've got to do another pretty big drive. Not sure exactly how long yet, but I'm going to guess another half an hour. So we've added another pretty much hour's driving. And hopefully this spot's good, but there's a couple of other ones nearby if it's no good. Wow, that was long. It's pitch black now. It's like, what time is it? 8:30 or something. We've had to drive like an hour this evening, which is, yeah, not fun. We're all super tired, but we're gonna have a really fun day tomorrow, so it should be worth it. Thanks very much for watching this one, guys. We are definitely going to bed straight away.
It's the latest park up we've done.
Rosie's saying it's the latest park up we've done. She's right. It's the latest park up we've done this whole trip. Latest driving we've done. Yeah, it's been long. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow will be a nice and chill day. But anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Loads of you aren't subscribed, so if you could subscribe, that would mean a lot to us. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.